Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO Amsterdam. Tom Ford fragrances. Or Tom Ford beauty and fragrances. I don't know where to start. This is a shopping hauler. So I went to a Tom Ford counter and I managed to score myself a few products, and these products are going to blow your mind. However, it seems like Tom Ford is over the top. It's like so expensive that when you get the counter, you're like, am I going to really buy this? But I've been at this counter for at least a year and trying to make a decision on which perfume I would really like and what to buy. But finally, I managed to get myself a Tom Ford perfume and some cosmetics like I've been using. I use also Tom Ford lipsticks and use Tom Ford makeup. But let's see what I got myself this time of the year. So this is my small box. I think worth 500 euros, not so sure, but it's a small leather box and my fragrance. So what did I buy? I got the Tom Ford White Suede in 100 ml. Yeah, it's the big one. And what else did I manage to get? I got myself a sheer highlighter, a dual packet. And let's see what else I got. And I got myself two lipsticks. One is called Deborah No. 6 Soft Shine and another one is called Nicholas 28. So let's see how these look like out of the package. So because it's an unboxing, so I have to remove them out of the box. Hey, they say these lipsticks are unisex, so they say the brown one is for guys and the white one is for girls. I'm not sure, but I bought both of them for myself. So white and the blue. Let's see the share, the reflector. Ooh. Comes in a nice pouch. Why I chose white suede, I don't know why, but it's a mix of leather and some suede, and I don't know, but it smells nice. It's a little bit musky and powdery. I love it. And the lipsticks are really dark, so they match with my lips because I really have light lips and they're two-tone, so I need a coverage that really fits well with my lips. So I hope these lipsticks will do it for me. Although they are small, I always buy the bigger version, the one that costs 50 euros. This costs, I think, 35 euros each. And I think I spent, let's see. Okay. Okay, the perfume retails, the small one, which is 50, retails for 200, I think 7 or something. I don't know properly, but the bigger version, 100 ml, goes for 296. So if you really love this perfume, it's better to buy the bigger version, the one that costs 296 euros. And then the highlighter costs 75 euros. And then you have the lipsticks, which are 35 euros each. These are the small ones. Like I said, I always buy the bigger ones. They last me longer, but those go for 50 euros each. So I thought if for 35 euros each, I can get two different colors and I can get to swap them out. So it's okay. But for other brands, yeah, they have bigger lipsticks and they are the same price as the 50 euros. But okay, we're not talking about other brands, we're talking about Tom Ford. So am I happy with my purchase? Yes, I am. This was my unboxing. Why do I shop too much? I don't know too. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, my unboxing all the things I bought recently at the Tom Ford counter, and I hope you keep watching my channel and subscribe, like this video, comment, and leave me a comment below, and see you next week, and bye.